welcome back to The Wolf. Log in. Huh. I'll do that later. Maybe that's how I get a name. Premium Silver. Ooh, Premium Silver is free if I can get 500 chips. Y'all know I'm the champion, but get Wolf Pass. Get Wolf Pass Alpha. Available only with Premium. Available only with Premium Gold. 2,000 gems. 2,000, 2,000, 6,000, 900 of those things. I only have 5. But this one looks cool. And y'all know me, I want this one. No, this one, because it's the champion wolf. And I'm the champion. Hold up. And now, let's go back to Green Hills. We have volume all the way up because I like the music. Why did hold up, I might be able to kill something. Fox. Die, you stupid fox. You are not a K9, so I kill you. Good job, stop it! Oh my god, dogs are being so annoying right now. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Play left game. What is this? What is this? Okay. I don't really care right now. Defense. Now, what do we do next? I think attack is next, because I still don't think I need, quest, claim, verifying, okay, 1 gem, got it, okay, ooh, equipped item, yes. Okay, so I did not, know this. Existed. Weekly. Claim. Okay. Ruby, huh. Upgrade attribute 4 times. And now Wolf Pass. Rewards. Welcome. Wolf Pass. Season 1. Okay. But I'm not exactly sure how Wolf Pass would work. Okay. Daily quest animals are marked in color on the radar. Can I attack you? We are the champion. Here they are. Wait, no. What color was it? Oh, this one, I think. Across the lake? No, barely any does over there. I'ma help these guys, cause I'm cool like that. Definitely not for the EXP. Cause I'm not that kind of person. Kill 2 bears. Well, if I can find another bear, I'll kill it. Wonder if that's a daily quest. Ooh, I'm level 6. Unlock. Ooh, 30 gems though. Let's do it. Ugh. A new move is a new move, people. What does it do? You need help? Sorry, bro, but I have no clue where you are. Let's see. Is this a damage move? Let's find out. Does it deal any damage? Oh, it does. So that's what it is. Okay. It's like full wind attack, full direction attack, which is good for things like, you know. But I don't know. This is only a level 3 player. They will die here if they run into a bear. That's for certain. I'm trying to find a bear, because apparently it's a quest to kill 2, but I can't find them. Hey, you 4. That's you 4. Well, I didn't get all 4 of them, but apparently I did get all 4 of them, and this one just a chicken. Oh my god, I hate the way this camera works. Kill 55 animals. Oh, I'm already close to that. You need bears over here. You can take one bear alone. I've done it before. Excuse you, I'm running that way. There's a bear. Who knows? Should I add them as friend? Sure. Player. Okay. I don't know. Once they find out that I'm gonna be a famous YouTuber someday, probably not, but I may or may not be. Hold on. Wait, did I? Kill 2 bears. Okay. Wolf Pass. Oh, that was in Wolf Pass. Okay, I want to finish Wolf Pass. I don't know. Stag. I don't know where any male deers are. I've only been able to find does. I need to find a stag. Would you not do that, bro? Those are just foxes. What's inside the cave? Oh, there's what I'm looking for. Close. I should be able. Just 3 more. Who knows? Maybe I'll find some in here. Nope, it's deadened. I'm assuming I gotta log in to get a name, but I'll test that theory out later. I think this game is in the beginning stages, but I'm not sure. But I'm gonna have to end up this video soon. Only 5 more animals to go. I wonder, is that fall damage? Oh no, I just can't walk off cliffs. Got it. I think I may or may not be stuck. Oh, wait. My camera is terrible. Okay, go. Make it. Oh, we're not stuck. Okay, good. Got you. We are so close to killing 55 animals. Let's do this. Not a stag, but it'll do, I guess. Oh, this thing is level 8. But I have more moves than it does. Killing 90 animals. Oh, I already did the other quest. I need to figure out how to... I'm not exactly sure how Wolf Pass works. Okay, so that like a pro Wolf Pass. Yeah, I figured. I figured it would cost money. Oh no, not yet. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna end this off here. I might make another video soon, but I'm gonna end this off here. Bye.